What is up guys? Welcome back to another tutorial video. Today we'll be talking about how to make the text size bigger on Snapchat in order to make it easier to read. To do this, open your Settings app, scroll down and open Control Center. Then scroll down again and tap on the plus sign icon beside the text size to add it on your control center. Now, if you open your control center, you can see that the text size icon or the two A's is now added. After that, open Snapchat. When you're in the Snapchat, bring down your control center, tap the text size icon. Then make sure that you choose the Snapchat only below. Then choose what size you want by swiping up or down on the slider. Let us say I'm going to adjust it to 160%. After that, close your Snapchat app. Then reopen it. Now you can see that the text size is now bigger. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. If you have any questions, drop them below and we'll see you on the next video.